Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your store. So I can view my online store by pressing the I. I have opened it up, and as I scroll down, you will see it down here. It says Powered by Shopify. I personally don't like it, so I will be showing you how to remove this Powered by Shopify side. You go back to Shopify. If you select your online store, you press the three dots right here. You go Edit Default Theme Content. You select this. You go into the Filter Item section. This is like a search bar for your web page and all the elements included in the web page. You press left click and you write powered by and you press the enter key, or you don't have to, it shows up automatically and you see links powered by Shopify. This is exactly what we are looking for. And when you see I can't, when I click on it, I can't remove this powered by Shopify sign. But if I press the space button, that will automatically delete itself. After I have done this, I press save in the upper right by clicking left click. I save it, wait for it to load, and it says the bottom theme content updated. Now I go back to my online store and press the I. I scroll down, and as you can see, it now says 2023 my store, and it no longer says powered by Shopify. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.